दोस्तों ये वीडियो देख के आप अपने एग्ज़ाम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नंबर हासिल कर सकते हो। कैसे? क्योंकि इस वीडियो में हम प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं जो कि आपको आने वाले एग्ज़ाम में अच्छे नंबर लाने में बहुत ज़्यादा मदद करेगा। कैसे? क्योंकि इस क्वेश्चन को देख के आप एस्टिमेट कर सकते हो कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चन आपके एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जा सकते हैं और हम किस तरह के क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर करें। ये जो पेपर हम देख रहे हैं ये 27/2/2020 का पेपर है। 8 बजे से लेके 11 बजे तक का इसका टाइम था और इसका सब्जेक्ट था फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट। हम सब्जेक्ट डोमेन देख रहे हैं और दोस्तों ये जो क्वेश्चन है इसकी आप प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हैं, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी। वहाँ पे जाके आप इन क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का क्वेश्चन। पिछले वीडियो में हम देख चुके हैं 12 क्वेश्चन, अब उसके आगे के क्वेश्चन हम देखेंगे। दोस्तों हम पेपर 1 सॉल्व कर चुके हैं जिसमें जिसको हमने 4 पार्ट में विभाजित कर रखा है, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी। आप उन पेपर को भी रेफर कर सकते हैं, वो भी आपको आपके एग्जाम में ज़्यादा नंबर हासिल करने में मदद करेंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। 13वां क्वेश्चन है, 13वां क्वेश्चन है no prospectus shall be valid if it is issued more than 90 days after the date on which a copy thereof is delivered to register under 26(4) of the Company Act 2013। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 की तरफ बढ़ेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है which of the following is not regarded as external source of finance? So retained earning is not an external source of finance. All three things are internal source of finance. That is, the second option is internal source of finance, and other three are external source of finance. That is, loan from financial institution, new share issued, and new debenture issued. That are sources of external source of finance. And B part is retained earning is internal source of finance. Now 15th question. 15th question is under process costing, which of the following is regarded as a normal loss? So loss due to change in moisture content, it is a normal loss. Other are not. That are abnormal loss due to bad plant design, loss due to carelessness of worker, loss due to sabotage. Okay, now moving to 16th question. The 16th question is, now we are seeing the 16th question. This is after adjusting the advance tax and tax deducted at source, the SSC would arrive at the amount of net tax payable or refundable. Such amount should be round off to the nearest multiple of rupees 10. Now the question number 17th. The Company Act 2013 contains 470 section and 7 schedules. Okay, the Company Act 2013 contains 470 section and 7 schedule. Now question number 18. While calculating equivalent completed production unit, which of the following statement is incorrect? So fourth statement is incorrect. Other three statements are correct. So fourth statement is abnormal gain is treated as 50% complete in respect of all cost elements. First, second, third statement are correct. That is, for normal loss, no equivalent unit is calculated. Second, equivalent units for opening WIP is not shown separately under average method. Third, equivalent units for opening WIP is calculated under FIFO method. Now question number 19th. The question is, with respect to job costing, which of the following is incorrect? So fourth statement is incorrect. Job costing method is suitable in inflationary condition. First three statements are correct. That is, under job costing, spoilage and defective can be identified and responsibility can be fixed accordingly. Second, budgetary control and standard costing can be applied in job costing. Third, job costing is costly and laborious method. Now 20th question. 20 question is, according to section 22 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, A note or bill which is not expressed to be payable on demand at site or presentment is at maturity on the third day after the date on which it is expressed to be payable. Now moving to the 21st question. The question is, with respect to AS 11, the effect of change in foreign exchange rate, which of the following statement is incorrect? The fourth statement is incorrect. The standard deal with the restatement of an enterprise's financial statement from its reporting currency into another currency for the convenience of user accustomed to that currency or for similar purpose. First three statements are correct. That is, this statement does not specify the currency in which enterprise present its financial statement. However, an enterprises normally use the currency of the country in which it is domiciled. Second, the standard also deals with accounting for foreign currency transaction in the nature of forward exchange contract. Third, the standard should be applied in accounting for transaction in foreign currency and in translating the financial statement of foreign operation. Financial statement of foreign operation. Now 22nd question. This 22nd question is, which of the following statement is correct? So second statement is correct. That is, part 1 of the first schedule of the Finance Act specify the rate of tax applicable for the current assessment year. This statement is correct. So now moving to 23rd question. 23rd question is, it is the duty of the company to inform the registrar of the company within 7 days of the decision in case the board of directors decide to maintain books at the place other than the register office. So how much days? It is 7 days. So now the next question. The next question is 24th question. The question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? The first statement is incorrect. The statement is, a company into which vendor companies merge is called transferor company. Other three statements are right statement, that is correct statement. B, C and D are correct statement. That is, a company into which the vendor companies merge is called the purchasing company. A company into which the vendor companies merge is called transferee company. A company into which the vendor companies merge is called vendee company. So all the other three statements are correct statement. Now the 25th question. The 25th question is, according to the provision of the section 194B, every person responsible for paying to any person, whether resident or a non-resident, an income by way of winning from lottery or crossword puzzle or card game and other game of any sort is required to deduct income tax therefrom at the rate of 30% if the amount of payment exceeds rupees 10,000. Now the next question. The question is 26th. While determining the material cost, cash discount is not deducted from the purchase price. It is treated as interest and finance charge. It is ignored, right? So now 27th question. 27th question is, AS1 deals with the disclosure of accounting policy. So AS1 deals with the disclosure of accounting policy. Now moving to 20th question. 20th question is, which of the following will be shown under the head other current liabilities in balance sheet as per the form set out in part 1 of the Company Act 2013. So A option is right. Application money received for allotment of security and due for refund and interest accrued thereon is shown under the head current liability in balance sheet as per form set out in part 1 of the Company Act 2013. Other three are not, that is deposits, loans payable on demand, loans and advance from related parties. Now moving to the question number 29th. The question number 29 is to compute service cost. It is necessary to understand the unit for which the cost is to be compounded. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So first statement is incorrect, that is, for canteen service, unit of cost will be occupied room days. Other three, that is B, C, D, are correct statement, that is, for transport service, unit of cost will be passenger kilometer or tom kilometer. For insurance service, unit of cost will be per policy or per claim. For electricity supply service, unit cost will be kilowatt per hour. Now next question, that is 30th question. For goods transport organization, which of the cost will be regarded as fixed or standing charge? So insurance of vehicle is regarded as standing charge, other are not, that is repairs and maintenance charge, petrol charge, wages to cleaner. Now the 31st question. The 31st question is under the section 208, obligation to pay advance tax arise in every case where the advance tax payable is rupees 10,000 or more. 32 question. In relation to the condition for the issue of equity share with the differential right, the share with the differential right shall not exceed 26% of the total post-issue paid up equity share capital, including equity share with the differential right issued at any point of time. Now the 33rd question. Under the head income from other source, family pension received is exempt up to 1/3%, that is 33.33% of such income, or rupees 15,000, whichever is less. Okay, now next question, that is 34th question. So 34th question is, Ricky Ponting, an Australian cricket player, visit India for 90 days in every financial year. This has been practiced for the past 11 financial years, including current previous year 2019-2020. What is his residential status for assessment year 2021? He is non-resident. So now next question is, according to section 10 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, which of the following is not regarded as the essential element of valid contract? So first is not an essential element of valid contract, that is consent of undue influence. Other three are essential element of valid contract, that is lawful consideration not declared to be void, possibility of performance. So now moving to the next. The question number is 36. A company earned a profit of rupees 10,000 during the year if the marginal cost and the selling price of the product are rupees 2 per unit and rupees 4 per unit respectively. Find out the amount of margin of safety. It is calculation based question. So answer is rupees 20,000. You can calculate by the formula, which is for margin of safety. 7th question. With respect to AS 16 borrowing cost, which of the following statement is incorrect? The first statement is incorrect. This standard deals with the actual or imputed cost of owner's equity, including preference share capital not classified as liability. Statement are correct, that is, a qualifying asset is an asset that necessarily takes a substantial period of time to get ready for its intended use or sale. Borrowing costs are interest and other costs incurred by an enterprise in connection with the borrowing of fund. D. What constitutes a substantial period of time primarily depends on the facts and circumstances of each case. However, ordinary a period of 12 months is considered as a substantial period of time unless a shorter or longer period can be justified on the basis of facts and circumstances of the case. That's all for today's video. We will see next question in next video. But if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon button. And if you want to practice this question, please check the description box, because a link is given in the description box, and you can practice this question and get a more marks in the examination. Thank you.